In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation in Pipedrive to streamline your workflow and keep your deals moving forward smoothly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Pipedrive account. Just head over to pipedrive.com, enter your credentials, and boom, you'll be on your dashboard, ready to take the next steps. Once you're in, look for the three dots icon on the left navigation menu. Click on that, and then select Automations from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a whole new section where the magic happens. In the upper right corner, you'll see an Automations button. Go ahead and click that to open the Automation Builder. Now we're at the exciting part, setting up your trigger. To do this, you'll want to click on Event Trigger. You'll then choose Item and select Deal. After that, set the event to Updated and make sure to click Apply Trigger. This is where you're telling Pipedrive what kind of changes you want to automate. Next up, we'll add a condition to refine when this automation kicks in. Click on Instant Condition, then select Add Custom Condition. Here, you'll set it to Deal Stage, followed by Has Changed To, and finally choose Proposal Made. Remember to click Apply Conditions when you're done. This condition ensures that the automation only triggers when a deal has transitioned to this specific stage. Now, if you want to add a delay before the next action takes place, this is where you can do that. Click on Delay, enter the amount of time you'd like to wait, let's say 3 days, and then hit Apply Delay. Keep in mind this is optional, but it can be very useful for follow-ups. Moving on, let's define what action will happen next. Click on Action, then choose Activity and select Create Activity. Click Next to move on to the next screen. Here you'll see various fields to link your automation, like Assigned To or Linked Deal. Make sure to check the boxes for any fields you want to include and hit Next again. Now let's fill in the activity details. Enter a subject. Something simple like follow-up works great. Next, select the type of activity you want to set. Maybe it's a call or an email. You'll also need to set your due date here. Make sure to link any relevant data fields and then click Apply Action. We're almost done. Just a couple of final steps to wrap things up. Click on Save in the upper right corner of your screen, which confirms all the changes you've just made. Finally, don't forget to toggle the switch to activate your new automation. This step is crucial, or it won't start working. And there you have it. Your very own Pipedrive automation is set up and ready to go. With just a few steps, you can save time and ensure that no important tasks slip through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe for more Pipedrive